Hi, and welcome back to another video from the Bad Back Gardening YouTube channel. Today it's middle of April here. We're doing a quick tour of the grounds to see what's growing, see how my garden's progressing, and see the flowers that are coming up during the spring here. It's good to see stuff greening up and the color coming out. So we'll get started with that tour right now. All right, so this is out by my driveway here. This was actually a little bit more colorful the other day here. Some of the flowers have died off a little bit here. Some of the daffodils are at the end of their colorfulness here. So, but we've got some other stuff coming up. It's starting to green up. Got a few things coming up, and had to start mowing the grass. Grass is all green. So dandelions are popping up too. So here we have some of the tulips that are coming up in front of the rose bush here. So I've got some yellow ones and some multi-red ones and some red and yellow ones. So getting colorful. Over here at the patio area, more tulips coming up. Got the weeping pussy willow is pretty much gone through its flowering, if you want to call it, flowering stage, and it's greening all up. Tulips are coming up, all planted up in that too. Patio furniture out here. Okay, we're back down here at the raised bed gardens here. It's been we've had some cooler weather here of recent, so I've had to protect some of my plants and run the heater a little bit because it's been down around freezing and stuff at night. So, and not real super warm during the day. It's not too bad out today, but the sun has went in and it's clouded over. Now it was sunny a little bit ago, but we had a real warm spell for a little bit. Now we've had a pretty good cool spell, and it's supposed to be cool for at least another week, I believe. So what we got going here in the raised bed, as you may have seen in the last video, this bed is planted in some radishes here at the front. They're coming in good. And then got some lettuce growing. I planted some basil. It didn't come up real great, so I'm gonna have to replant that probably. And then I got some peas and some green onions planted, white onions actually, but the green tops are coming up on them, so they're coming in good. Down there in that last bed there, I planted potatoes, if you've seen that video, and then over there's also some potatoes too. I have not seen anything poking up through down there, and they haven't been in long enough, I don't think, to start poking through. Got some stray onions actually growing, but no potatoes as of yet poking through. We'll go up here and look at the tomatoes I have in, and they're doing pretty well. They're in their water teepees, and they're growing good. This one actually has some flowers on it on the other side there, but they're coming up. This is where I run the heater for the tomatoes. I run the heater here, and not all the time, just enough at night and stuff, a little bit just to warm them up for a few hours before I get to bed or something. And with the plastic and the row cover, it protects them pretty good. With the water teepees also, they do really well in that. So I just kind of got to babysit them a lot. But hopefully that results in some early tomatoes this year. I got a few more of the beds prepared. So this whole middle section is prepared and ready to plant. I got this one first one here ready to plant. I still need to clear out a few of these other ones and get them of last year's plastic and stuff and get them ready to go. So I might work on that today. As I said, the grass has greened up a lot. Needs mowed again, actually. It's looking pretty good. I did get some fertilizer on it and some crabgrass preventer fertilizer put on it. It got worsted in good, so hopefully that helps out with the crabgrass this year again. Up here at the front, not a lot happening. Everything's just kind of starting to green up. Grasses are starting to green back up and pop up through. The ornamental grasses out front, the cone flowers are starting to grow. And some of the other flowers are coming up. So not real colorful out here yet. Same thing in this part of the front. Everything's greening up. Got some daylilies coming on there, but nothing's really gotten colorful yet up front. It's pretty much still just starting to grow. Need to do some weeding. All right, so that's going to do it for this short April tour of the grounds and gardens. Starting to get colorful and green. Hopefully the warmer weather comes back and we can start getting everything going here. So thanks for watching. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.